party. See my boot I'm gonna wear tonight? And my ripped jeans? My cut up shirt I can't talk to man. Girl never hot. Yeah, one nice pixie wig in my ear. Girl, I don't know about you. You better come to the party because you know where we're going with this and going with antiques, yeah. Alright, so man over there, sir. You know see my top girl, right? My top girl, yeah. Well, Andy, this won't talk to you. No man won't belly up me, sir. Jesus Christ. How them in the bush there can go? Man, I'm gonna go now, Miss Mary, man. I'm gonna let go people. Yeah, you do the man.
What is some like that? I do. Let me catch this.
Miss Mary! No, sir! Why, God? Man, dude, you know, Jesus, dude, you're gonna get a come down. Miss Mary! Why, Jesus Christ? Miss Mary! Miss Mary! Imagine me, I'm gonna go see your man, dude. See your man, this. Shit deep, man. How you get that shit from, man? How you eat?
Yeah, man. Whenever I catch you. Yes, Lord.